Just a quick video, guys. I got a replacement for my Geprc 2.5 HD. I bought the first one quite a while back, and the flight controller was bad. Never got to fly it, so they sent me a new one. So I'll get it opened up and get it programmed, and get my controller and everything bound to it, and then we'll take it out for a maiden flight and see how she does. Just thought I'd give you guys a sneak preview of it, if I can get it open. Mind the noise in the background, it's just my fans. There it is, about the size of my hand. DJI. I believe this was a Catic Vista, I don't really remember. And then it's got an all-in-one below it. So. Battery strap and cords and some props. And more stickers. We'll get it out, get it programmed, and I'll throw up a flight of it later.